Hi everyone, this training session will cover off what Load Finder is and how to actually use some of the features within Load Finder. So to access Load Finder, you do need to go up to the top left of your screen where it says Dispatch, and then you do need to click on Load Finder. And once you click on Load Finder, you are now in the Load Finder window. So I really actually do like the Load Finder feature, and a lot of our customers are not aware of it. The reason why I like it is that it does allow you to do searches and to run reports. So for example, if I were to actually right now just click on search, okay, you'll see what will come up are all of my loads. It does say that 55 loads are displayed. So it is displaying all of my loads regardless of which status they're in. Okay. The other thing I'd like to point out to you, it is displaying 55 loads. So I know the date range is from March 27th to September 27th for my 55 loads. But for instance, if I wanted to do a specific search, so to change the load status, I click on the drop down and then I could click on invoice and then click on the tab here on the far right that says search. And as soon as I do that, you will now see I've got 42 loads. So I know that 42 loads were invoiced from March 27th to September 27th. As well, if you're one of our customers that have agent offices, to show your agent offices, you just make sure you check off inside that box that says offices, and then that will also allow all of your offices to come up in addition to your main office. The other thing that I do want to bring to everyone's attention, so if you run a report and now you want to export this report or print it out in Excel, you may do so. And how you would do that is by clicking on this green X in the green box. That does allow you to export this data to Excel, and then at that point you could save it to your computer or print it out. The other thing, of course, is the date range. You are able to change the date range simply by clicking on the calendar for the from, and then once that opens up, you can then just change the date. Likewise, you can do that for the to by clicking on that calendar. Again, once that calendar opens up, you could click on the date range that you're interested in. Now, the other thing, in addition to running reports, let's say if I click on the drop down in this very first field on the top left, I could also do a search by my sales rep as an example. So I click on sales rep, and then I type in the name of my sales rep I'm looking to do a search on, and then I click on the tab here that says search. And as soon as I do that, I now know my sales rep by the name of Kim has 38 loads from the date range of January 1st, 2014 to May the 1st, 2014. So this is a very good tool. So again, if we click on this drop down, look at all the different items you can search on. The list is quite huge. You could search by load number, invoice number, do a search by your customer, and the list goes on and on. So this is a really good tool to be aware of. It does allow you to get information out of the system that you may need to pull at any time. So this does conclude today's training session on Load Finder and how to use it.